Find me at the bar with a vibe, and she rap on. Hips on thickness, lips on, give me more. And she plus 21, she don't give a fuck about you, about anyone. She like Eminem. That's me and my man in the Benz, and she came with her friends. So it's crazy, it's like but we didn't plan it. This is a frenzy. Are you serious? I'm out here acting delirious. This girl, she's so Sagittarius. Yeah, I wanna see you drop it like it's hot. I'm feeling fly, looking trendy in my oversized Givenchy. The girls on my line, getting drunk, sippy, sippy tonight. I'm feeling sexy, sexy tonight. I'm feeling sexy, sexy. What you gonna do? 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 I'm feeling fly, looking trendy in my oversized Givenchy. The girls on my line, getting drunk, sippy, sippy tonight. I'm feeling sexy, sexy tonight. I'm feeling sexy, sexy.
Okay, so this is the room. 207.
Yeah, this is the hotel.
Clark Imperial Hotel.
Yes, in Angeles City, about 15 minutes walk from Walking Street, right
Yeah.
next to Eurotel. We just moved here from our other hotel, just want to experience another hotel, that's all. So yes, come on in, room number 207 on second floor.
Okay.
Okay, so this is the room there. Okay, the usual, it comes with safe deposit.
And it comes with the
Laundry bag. I think
laundry
it is.
bag, yeah.
So there's a laundry next door. Besides, there's laundry next door. 40-inch TV. Can give this to the guy. No? So the drinks it. Right, yes, we are here.
And that's the window.
Come on in, pasok.
And with the mirror also and the table.
Yeah. Mini ref, let's hook this up.
Yeah, that's the mini refrigerator. Oh, it's not plugged yet.
Alright, it's a I have coffee.
Okay, that's good. And it's come with this cabinet.
So they don't give coffee cabinet. So they don't provide coffee cups. I need to ask downstairs, is it? Coffee cup?
Coffee? Okay.
No, I have to ask them, right?
Okay.
Yeah, I'll ask them later. That's fine.
And the kettle also.
Yeah, we don't need now. That's okay.
You
Later.
need? Okay.
No, not right now. Maybe later. Right now, be okay.
Okay, thank you.
Okay, so this is the bathroom.
Right, so this is a queen size bed. Right, nice and clean floor. Okay, nice and clean bathroom. Right, the bathroom is clean. Right.
So no problem with bidet.
Yeah, the bed is on the right side because they don't know themselves. Some of them are on the left, some are on the right.
So this bidet is in the right position.
Yeah, this one is on the right, which is okay. Okay, so bathroom, like I said, is nice and clean. Okay, the pressure is decent. Water pressure.
Be careful with the shower.
No, I'm not going to put it on, yeah. But it's hot water, they said. Well, okay. Since you mentioned it. Oh my God, good pressure. Okay.
Yeah.
Okay, so we're going to have fun.
So that's
at least
good.
this is enclosed shower, so it's not going to make mess outside.
Yeah.
You know, the other bathroom over there was you take shower because it's half open.
Yeah.
The whole toilet gets wet.
Yep.
Okay, so what about the towels? Okay. Oh, that's what octopus. right?
Yeah.
Octopus.
So that the towel is in the octopus. Nice design, guys. Oh. They do always design. Every room they have another design, different design. This one is octopus. I think the other room, the last time we came, was the dog design.
Dog?
Yeah, it's the dog
Really?
design. This one is octopus, and the bed is queen size.
Yeah, queen size. I mean, everything looks very nice and clean. Right? I mean, the floor, everything.
Yeah. And how much is this one?
Oh yeah, walk-in 1700, 17. This is deluxe. I don't know what, something like that. Called deluxe. So this is 1700 a night walk-in. I could not book it through Agoda. They are not showing it anymore. They're showing it sold out. So yeah, 1700, which at this time, because this is today was Saturday, so this is weekend rate. So that's why they're a little bit high. Otherwise, you can save another 200-300 peso a night.
To Agoda.
Yeah, but this is weekend, that's why it's 1700 even walk in. But if it was Tuesday, a Monday, I'm pretty sure the same will be 1600 or even less.
Okay.
Yeah, it all goes by, yeah. Okay, so let's look for the charges, the points. Yeah, they have some plugs over there. Okay, great. The TV, I think, is about 42 inch. Looks like 42 inch.
So how many stars you gonna give this one?
Oh, we don't know yet, but yeah, it's pretty decent. You know,
Yeah.
I mean, like I said, it's most important. It's clean,
Yeah.
right? The floor is clean. She's shining. The CR looks clean. And so yeah, I mean, I would say, you know, for the price, the value seems to be good, and it's only 15 minutes to the walking street.
Yeah.
Because
Which
a lot
is
of people
that's
come here
important.
for the walking street. Even the mall, SM Mall is another 15 minutes, let's say, in the other direction.
Yeah.
So if you go to the mall, 15 minutes. Want to go walking street, 15 minutes. So there's food, restaurants everywhere. They have clubs, bars, massage, even a laundry next door. But I don't see no 7-Eleven or anything, so you have to go to the main road, let's say by 8 minutes walk. Right?
Yeah.
So yeah, it's convenient.
So yeah, but this one, guys, there's no cattle for this price.
No water cattle, but you can rent it for 100 peso, unlimited stay.
Yeah.
Like it's just one-time fee for how long you stay.
Yeah, if you guys want coffee, because us, we usually drink coffee before we go to sleep.
Yeah, we just...
And in the morning, before we come out, we usually drink coffee, so we need cattle. But then, yeah, for this room, this is the cheaper one, right?
Yes, I think this is the basic. This is where it starts from.
Yeah, 1700. And
17.
the other room, I think, include already the cattle, right?
Yeah, the next room is, I can't remember how much was it. I mean, I have the list somewhere, but it includes the cattle in the price.
Yeah.
But the room we already saw, the other room is not much difference.
Yeah, only the cattle, I think.
Yeah, only the cattle, but you can rent a cattle for 100 pesos.
And the cabinet only, because this
also?
cabinet is long and one only, like, long and then like this style. The other cabinet, the other room is like bigger than this one, built-in cabinet. And it has sofa, I think that one.
Oh yeah?
Sofa, I think this side.
But I mean, this is okay. It still has a table. It's only a one chair table with a mirror.
Yeah.
You know?
Which is not bad. I mean, we're
It's okay,
gonna
that's what I'm saying. It's not
we're
bad.
gonna go action anyway and walking straight. You know, just walking everywhere.
Yeah, you don't
We're
come
not
to
really
the
gonna
hotel.
stay.
It has
our
elevator, but no swimming pool. Okay? Elevator, but they don't have a swimming pool.
And they have food
lot of
also.
Koreans stay here. It's a Korean-owned hotel. A lot of Koreans come here and stay. So, like
Same
I said,
thing, the Apollonia.
Apollonia was same thing. It was
Korean-owned.
Korean-owned. Yeah, Korean-owned, but I mean that's not a problem or anything. Yeah. So yeah, okay. So let's go. Okay. So that's it for now, because we checked in. It's about 2 o'clock. So we need to change whatever she needs to change. We're just gonna hit the road.
Yeah.
Right? We go to Fields Avenue and stuff. All right. then.
Okay, thank you so much
Take
for
care.
watching,
Thank
guys.
you.
Bye.
Dingabona Maba matsoge Makala yene Makamahulu minzange Matango wahano Amakalia, 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 Amakalia. Ebotan, 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 Ebotan.